Here's how to delete your Cash App account. Before closing your account, make sure to withdraw any remaining balance. Now, tap the Banking tab and cash out your funds so your balance is zero. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Support. In the Support section, use the search bar and type Close Account. Open the Close Your Cash App Account help article, then tap Close Account or Get Started, depending on the version of the app. Cash App will explain what happens when your account is closed. Your $cash tag will be disabled, you won't be able to receive payments, and you'll be signed out of all devices. Some transaction records may still be retained to meet legal requirements. If you're sure you want to continue, tap Confirm to permanently close your Cash App account. Once the confirmation is complete, your Cash App account will be deleted. If you ever want to use Cash App again, you'll need to create a new account. You can also remove the app from your device if you no longer need it. That's all for this video. Thanks.